Hey guys, good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. And again, welcome back to this channel. Today, this is a job openings from African country. It's Kenya. And today I will share with you the job openings from Kenya and how to apply everything detailed. So guys, if you have a plan to move African country with a job, then keep watching this video till the end. Let's know what is the job openings and how to apply and what is the requirements to apply for this job. Everything details you can discuss in this video. So let's start. The job is head of manufacturing required in Kenya. So the job is from Kenya, African country, and the job profile is head of manufacturing. So guys, this is a hiring for head of manufacturing and edible oil, the company name with a leading FMCG group in East Africa, Kenya. So this is the company name from East Africa, and the job is head of the manufacturing, and the inconvenient is number one, should have experience in handling refinery oil fats with a plant capacity of 2000 MT per month or more. Second, automatic filing line exposure would be an added advantage. If you were interested, then please share your CV to the given official email ID. So today, the one and only job from Africa, from Kenya, and the job is head of manufacturing. So guys, if you are interested and if you have the proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field, then only you can apply for this job. So one thing I would like to tell you, if you are looking for a abroad job and you have to keep patience and you have to try one after one and you have to gain experience from client interview. After that you will get success to get a job in abroad. So this is a job from African country. As I already told you, this is the job for head of manufacturing. So for this position, obviously you should have the experience as a head in any refinery company or any manufacturing company. Then you should have the proper qualifications to apply for this job. So to apply for these positions as a head of manufacturing company, you should have the proper qualification, you should have the proper experience, and the experience in handling refinery oil and fats with a plant capacity of 2000 MT. That means you should have a experience to handle big plant with capacity of 2000 MT. So this is the basic requirements. You have to follow this. If you are really eligible for this job, then you can apply. So the thing is, if you are applying for this job, you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience. This is very important point. After that, you should have the proper skills, proper knowledge to apply for this job. Then only you can apply. So my suggest, first of all, you should check yourself that you are eligible or not. After that, prepare your CV, prepare your experience details, prepare your educational qualifications, everything details. Then make a proper CV with update your all experience and qualifications, and attach the experience certificates and all educational certificates and your passport scan copy and a white background photo. Everything you have to arrange in one PDF file, and you have to forward this file to the given official email ID. So this is the basic requirement. You have to do this, then only your CV will be selected to apply for this job. So first of all, you need to check your educational qualifications and experience as per mentioned right here by the company. If you are really eligible, then collect your all certificates as I already shared with you: educational certificates, experience certificates, passport scan copy, a white background passport photo, everything, and make it one PDF file and send it to the given official email ID. After that, the shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get notified by your email in which date and time you have to attend the client interview. After you attend client interview, if you get success from the client interview or client will be select you, then the medical process and the visa process will be started by the company. So this is the whole process, I shared with you the entire process, so don't worry. You just need to apply in the proper way, and you just to crack the interview so that you can get a abroad job. So I think I shared all the things. Still, if you have any question you want to ask, then you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And I would like to suggest you please share this information to your friends or relatives who want to move abroad with a job. This is very very important information for them and for you also. So my suggestion, share this information as much as possible, and you also apply as soon as possible if you are really eligible for this job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video I'll come with a latest job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every video and apply as soon as possible if any job is matching with your profile. So best of luck. Thank you.